We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam, and I'm working with the Brother MFC L5850dw. So first things first, you need to locate your jam. I always like to start in the tray. So if you see it right here, you can just gently pull it up and out. Anytime you're clearing a paper jam, you never want to yank or pull really hard on the paper or pull really fast. If you do it, you want to do it nice and slow, because if you go fast or you rip a piece of paper off in there, it'll cause more jams, and not only that, it can damage a sensor. So if you see it here, go ahead and gently pull it out. If you don't see it in your tray, the next place to check would be the back of your printer. So you open this hatch. If it's back here, most likely if it's not in the tray, then it's right here. So go ahead and just pull it out, up and out. If you're not seeing it there, the next place to check is going to be under the drum. So you hit this button here, pop it out, the front cover, and then just pull your toner and drum out, and it would be right here. Go ahead and gently pull it up and out. Replace your toner and drum back into the printer. And then last but not least, if you see it right here and it's mostly out, because if it's jammed right here, you're going to see it in the back too. But if the paper's mostly out so you don't see it very much in the back, I would pull it from up here. Just pull it nice and gently. Don't rip any paper, yank it, or anything like that. If you guys are seeing a lot of paper jams, you probably need to give us a call, because it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.